Hi, I'm Wanda with Jimmy Branch Homestead, and I just wanted to take a moment to kind of share how many meals 8 chickens can make. So here I have all the chicken breast in pints and half pints. In the quarts, I have thighs, legs and thighs, and over here I have a couple more chicken thighs and chicken legs. So this way, dinner can be in just a few minutes instead of taking, an hour or so to prepare. I also have a large package of wings in the freezer. The hearts and the livers were separate in the freezer. And I did have one package of 2 legs in the freezer. But other than that, all of this chicken came from those 8 chickens. And that is quite a few meals. So if you're enjoying this type of video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead.